Guys, welcome once again. This is your boy Don Papa. Myself, subscribe. Myself, subscribe for more updates. And the Baba Kasafa, the flood na ekoso akra. We all know say for the past 2 days in Nsuatosa. There are some places the way the rain it be hard, and it was saying bebre. I have some videos with a guy. It be mind busting. I was like, hey, Nsuatosa. No, where I did in Nsuatosa, though it was raining alright, you can see that in Nsuato. But the way I see some videos for online, hey, guy, like this video like this, human being, nipa like Nsuato for me, you can't Nsuato for nipa no. See. Hey! Oh! Munjeno why munjeno? Ow! Omoja ni mu ayaka. Wo. Hey! Oko. Omotumi save no. So sad. Omotumi save no. Omoja ni mu omotumi save no. See this video too. Highway at Taifa Junction flooded after rainfall. After rainfall, I hold you now, your man. Shakano. Hey, the driver no so sometimes saying, yeah, I come home. See. The driver walk could do with kill. Odi name na say bibi ye we ana wo kan say and so no twe kan no kwe, and it's not their fault. Ebu a person kofie maybe if you come for the ebu ekura nto person kofie because one yes na one kofie a be den nto person kofie. And this video too abrewa o ye save no ye person save ma me no e just kan no ntumi nko kana e choki, so they have to save this woman. And see, oh, Charlie, you know only one person who did the car inside though. Yeah, try to driving in a. It not be funny, no, not beside the laugh. It not be funny thing. So sad. Hey, you be a car no more. Just say can't you like. I don't know. Say ensure na your car no say car na you ensure like hey what mean that car no very sad. Ow mo yi omo luggages ow no we jaw private car na so no aka food trailer o se tractor aden. Let me. Very sad. I saw this video too. I don't know what was wrong with the mate. Accra to Kaswa flooded no. I don't know what's wrong with the mate. She said ya why ya o pay mu akaswa. When I'm remefo, obi kuno ba fine for na ba. I don't know. Sika ba na wo pay. Eni bra ba na wo ba park car na esi nchen, wo ya kaswa. And funny enough, we have some people too, they are going to sit inside. They will go because almost one person will coffee. Maybe we'll talk baby or coffee. But it's very risky. Sometimes I'll say they are going to Jibiana also. See this one. Jimmy, just a Jimmy. Person is only what that I could be will feel better. Oh, because you are trying to no call what did them say? Jimmy, just a Jimmy. So sad.
At this point, I need a jet ski.
Oh,
like,
shall we?
Out of here, ASAP. So we are going to see my house.
Oh,
guys.
Hey, yo.
What's this?
Aye. David. Oh. Ow. Amanfo Japadie. Amanfo Yama hwehwe. Enso na yedware ne te say like sea, yedware ne te say po no. How? Be very sad. Enso ne ebu asochi. Where teshi ebu asochi rough. I say like stream beer ekọ gidigidi no. Very sad. Very sad. And see the robbers now, you know, sometimes let me tell you, sometimes yeah, so you come. You tragata, abe tragata too. Na timemufuna ye timemufu no, ye the baller egu gata nemu. Uko kan obi say we ye and we hu ana, we hu ana, na mo de senya ma. At the end no, ye so na asem bi ba fine because aban no bo the president who ko ni fear bibi san see you but yen no na between sometimes I say ye dey adwentum jimie na doso see this one a dan top na wo hwe no a dan ne top na wo hwe no so na fa ne nyina who need story build na wontumi hwe excavators esisi won so na amene no ka enso to me pega car they got to say like akwada pega spoon. See this, so sad, very sad. Bibi no back bibi ache no nti sometimes too ebu also akwa rent dan ya no so for bebre omo complaining about maybe omo renting a landlord for musika ubu akwa rent dan wunim say haside ni akwa rent dan ensuo to ebe se ho wunim na dan fofo omo islegon transaco na de nto no so person top pressure top pressure won tena baby a ho beto won so person wo chese wo krom woko rent we are akọ flat bi na wotina na wotwetwe selfie at the end no aba be video say na I landlord say na aban wo bebremi aban akopon ato no nsuo no bebremi aban akopon ato no nsuo no bebremi aban ye den on so nsuo na no ye den aban ye den ye gata na mosi gata no as we dey enjoy Black Stars with the goal win the World Cup coming say win but we dey enjoy the thing, you know. Kofi Kinate release a banger, Stonebwoy release a banger, although ne dey no cannot boy na too much but still it's a banger. We dey enjoy on ourselves, we dey feel better. Kofi Kinate and twin brother Donzi come release banger. We dey enjoy that thing, we dey make happy. Now a baby so say sometimes I can too much. Aden. It was more adventure comment section. I see.